Good morning, everyone. I just finished doing some hits, made over $10, and I'm getting ready to go do Insanity. I'm on day 30. Thankfully, I made it that far, halfway through. Just got 30 more days to do. And yesterday, I was so tired for some reason because I had walked to the bus stop, which takes 18 minutes, and wow, and I was looking for my do-rag, and it's been here on the windowsill the whole time. But anyways, so I walked to the bus stop, and it takes 18 minutes, it's just like 0.9 miles, because where I live at, they have a trolley and the bus doesn't come down for some reason. So I decided that I'm going to catch the trolley to International Mall and then walk to Dolphin Mall because that walk is shorter. And when I go to work, when I'm walking to the bus stop, I do not wear my work clothes. I just wear like a t-shirt and some gym shorts and then just change at work, so I would not get to work all sweaty, which I should have been doing that before, but I've been doing it for like the past couple of days, and oh my goodness, I feel so much better. And I feel so much cleaner as well. And then there's another thing. To all you fellows out there, fellows, guys, hombres, whenever you have sweaty balls, or I was reading online, using Gold Bond or some kind of body powder, and you put them on your area, you feel so much better. And you won't have like that sweaty nutsack smell. So that's what I do like the past couple of days, and I smell so much better. Oh, and then the women here. Yesterday at work, there was two women. They were either from Colombia or Venezuela. Well, probably most likely Venezuela, because at the mall I work at, well, the mall where the Ross I work at is, they have so many Venezuelans. So, oh, that was probably something in the tree, a bird in the tree. But anyways, so I'm at the register ringing them up, and they have a shirt, and it's cut so low that all I had to do was just touch it like that, and one of their tits would pop out. What I admit, overall working at that Ross has been a good experience. I've been enjoying speaking the amount of Spanish that I've been speaking. I mean, yesterday I worked from 11 to 5. And majority of that time, I spoke probably English. I count them on one hand how many times I spoke English. That's as much. That will let you know how much Spanish that I've been speaking. And I had one of my coworkers, he asked, was I Dominican? Was I Cuban? Thought that was pretty funny, because I could speak Spanish. And sometimes I forget that not everybody that shops there, well, I probably said that in previous vlogs, could speak Spanish. And then when I'm at home, it's just like, I have to speak in English. Well, I could speak in Spanish or English, but sometimes it's like being immersed in that whole, hope you understand what I'm trying to say. But yeah, I just got on my shorts and boxers, so when I get through with Insanity, I won't have to be all sweaty moving my bed out the way, and then I could just hop in the shower and go. One genius thing I'm so glad I thought of, let me show you real quick, and then for real I'm gonna go do Insanity. You see how I have the tennis ball right there and the tennis ball right here. I put those on the feet of my bed frame because they don't have the wheels, and last week I had noticed that the carpet got picked up because I have my bed right here by the closet, and I have to move it out the way so when Byron needs to get in, or when I need to get in, it will not destroy the carpet anymore. And yeah, just thought I'd share that with you all. Creativity has been paying off. Oh, and then another thing, I remember I had somebody ask, well, my coworker at my at the other Ross that I was at in North Carolina, how do I know so many things? whether you're in school, high school, college, graduated, or if you're working or whatever, I make it a goal to learn at least one thing that I did not know the previous day. And if you do that, just think of how much smarter you will be, how much more knowledge you will have, and how much more interesting you'll be as a person, whether you're female, male, and you actually have something to talk about. Well, it was nobody important. Just some number that's been calling, and they called yesterday about some BS. But now I'm just gonna hop in the shower and eat some lunch. I may go to Publix later on and get some things. Cause definitely need some ramen in this house. Cause I'm tired of eating chips for a snack. And eating chips, kind of hard to get full off that. So, or I may wait until my sister gets here and we'll go to Walmart and get, cause I gotta buy some peanut butter since I ate all of it, and buy some bread as well. And like I said, some ramen, and then, but anyways, hop in the shower, work, do some more hits for about an hour. I'm already over $10. My goal for today is at least, well, not at least, is $30, and I'm gonna make that. And probably work for an hour, do my Spanish lesson that I tried to do last night when I took a nap and fell asleep for longer than I expected to. And I gotta buy some clippers as well, because I do not enjoy having chest hair at all. And I'm not gonna use the razor that I use for my face, because I have all kinds of freaking bumps. And but anyways, I just use an electric razor and just shave it off, because anyways, yeah, that's enough about that topic. You all want to know something else? Never have a lot of it. Let me start again. You all want to know something else besides a lot of beautiful women and other things that you've probably read or heard about that we have here in Miami? Is lluvia. Mucho lluvia. Bueno, voy a comer almuerzo y viendo un cortometraje en mi ordenador. Para almuerzo voy a comer dip y patatas de ayer. Mi hermano Byron cocinar ayer, anoche. It's really raining really hard. Oh yeah, I can't go out on the patio. But anyways, yeah, there was one thing I'm not sure if I told you all this, but if y'all are wondering, Josten, how come the hell you never ever show us your family or any of your friends? Well, the reason why I never showed you everybody, well, I basically did. What am I talking about? Like for my friends, for example, the ones back in North Carolina and the ones I have in other cities and other people I may have forgotten. But the reason why I kept certain people out, I did not really want to infringe on their privacy, and really this is my vlogs and put whoever I want to in this. And really the people that I was hanging out with, I had to come to a realization. Did I want to stay at the skate park doing the same thing every day, being broke as hell? Or did I want to go to school, graduate, get an associate's degree, and get to the path that I'm on now? So, I mean, really it was just a change of heart and me wanting to improve myself, which everybody should want to do. I mean, the key word in that sentence is want to. And the girlfriend thing, I definitely would like to have one, but that time will come when it does. So I'm in no rush at all. I mean, when you're single, you can wake up, do whatever the hell you want to do, and when you go to bed, you can go to bed where you want to. You don't have to be worrying about pissing anybody off other than yourself and whomever you live with. So I mean, really it's just about me being in control of my life. And plus, I mean, I could get a girlfriend if I wanted to easily. And I just don't want to get a girl just because she's a Latina and just to have a girl to have sex with. Because I learned my lesson from that. Alright, enough rambling. I'm going to eat lunch now.